Good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing amazing. It's the weekend. Woohoo! And for the first time in a long time, I am having the morning away from the children to do something really fun. So I'm gonna go and hang out with Danielle from Ripe and 9. She makes amazing raw cakes. I say amazing because I have tasted quite a few things that she has made, and it's amazing. And today I'm going to be learning how she creates some of those delicious little raw cakes. And they are literally, they're vegan, so they're plant-based, sugar-free, obviously dairy-free, soy-free, I believe gluten-free, and what was the other thing? Well, I can't remember. But, it's all good for you. So, yeah, let's get on with it. I think my sat-nav tells me that it's going to take me half an hour. And a lady has just broken down on my road. So, we're just waiting for recovery to come and get the lady because she's kind of blocking out my way. I'm going to wait, and hopefully, she said in 10 minutes they should be here. So, yeah. I mean, what are you gonna do, right? This is where the magic happens. This is the Ripe and 9 HQ. I don't know how much of you know about raw cake. Some of you might have never heard of it. That's why you're here. Or some of you might have had a go at making your own. But I'll tell you my sort of story first. And then I'd love to hear all of yours as well. I am not one of those people who has ever known what I wanted to do, what I've wanted to do. So I've done lots of different jobs. Just before this, I was working in events, doing for alcohol brands and doing festivals. Yeah. Yeah, if anyone wants to get involved, it does take a little bit longer. This is going to be a lot thinner on that. Yeah, it does. So I try and do everything as quick as I can these days. But things like that, I'll take my time on because I think if I'm slicing that into 10 and one person in a cafe, I don't want that one person to get the rubbish bit there. Yeah. So make sure you're opening it up over something like what I've got it over a flask or a glass, because otherwise you'll have it in your hand and it'll just be going everywhere. So yeah, just remember you don't have to do it like this, but I thought I'd just show you how I do it. It's quite therapeutic.
Yeah. Try and make something for work.
So I do everything from energy balls, bases, crusts, and